Hi, my name is Ali Ewell, and I'm a product manager for Epson America's commercial scanner team. The DS-730N network scanner rollers are very easy to replace, which is needed when the number of scan exceeds the life cycle of the roller. First, check the scanner roller counter to see if you need to replace your rollers. Then, turn off your scanner. Unplug the AC adapter and disconnect any cables. Pull down on the cover open lever to open the scanner cover. Press down on the pickup roller cover's latch and pull up the cover to remove it. Pull down the tab on the pickup roller and slide the roller to the right to remove it. To install the new pickup roller, align the notches on the roller unit and slide it to the left. Press up on the tab to secure the roller. Align the bottom edge of the pickup roller into the notches and press it down until it clicks into place. Squeeze the tabs on the side of the separation roller cover, open the cover. Slide the separation roller to the left and remove it. To install a new separation roller, insert the end of the roller into the hole on the right side and lower the other end into place. Close the separation roller cover until you hear it click. Then close the scanner cover. Connect any disconnected cables, plug in the AC adapter, and turn on your scanner. Reset the roller counter, and you're good to go. To learn more, please visit epson.com/document scanners or reach out to your Epson sales representative today.